Hey guys, let's continue with the second episode. The parts are printed and now we are gluing them together. First, we clean the parts with sandpaper, so that there are no filament residues left. I weigh each part individually so that I can decide later where I can save more weight. The fuselage parts have small holes. I put filament in them so that I can align the parts super easily. It's much easier and quicker this way. Now it's time for the glue. I use super glue with activator, but not too much, enough is enough. I simply wipe off any glue residue with kitchen paper. When it's dry, it's very difficult to remove, so it's better to clean it off straight away. I use threaded inserts for parts that I want to be able to take apart again. This is super practical. Then, glue the battery pad and cover latches in place. After the fuselage, I come to the wing parts. I use the carbon spars again for alignment, but you don't have to glue them in place, just stick them in, so you can use them again later if something breaks. Finally, I join all the parts together to check that everything fits. That's it for the assembly. Next time we will install the electronics. Stay tuned and leave a like.